my channel Perfection Gaming. In today's video we are going to talk about the new update which is upcoming in Mech Arena. So if you have not seen the teaser, let me show you the teaser. So one video short is uploaded by the Mech Arena community. Let me show you that short. So I have recorded that short. So here, as we can see, that this mech is looking like Killshot. This mech is looking like Killshot and Slingshot. So it is not having a wheel; it is having a football-like structure. And new weapons are also coming with this mech, because every time a mech will come, then a weapon will absolutely come. So this new weapon looks something like a high-tech laser or a flamethrower. So I think it must be a flamethrower, because laser weapons, there are many laser weapons in the game, but there is no flamethrower weapon like this. So I think it should be a flamethrower. And if it will be a flamethrower, that it will be more better. And this is what it looks from front. It also it looks absolutely like Killshot and Slingshot, but its wheel is different. And as its wheel look like a football, I will name this mech Kick Shot, because we kick the football, and it looks the brother of Slingshot or Killshot, so it is Kick Shot. So I think the name which I have given to this robot will be 40% sure. I will be 40% sure that its name will be Kick Shot. So now let us talk about the weapon. So I don't have any clear clear image of weapon. Let me find. So here I have clicked a clear photo. So these are the weapons. So I don't think so they are a flamethrower, because we can see here there are like two antennas like of a scorpion, two hands which can bite like a scorpion, but I don't think they will bite. It is looking identical to the disc launcher. And not only a new mech, a new map will also come, because as we can see here, there is a reddish background behind these walls. So don't mind, because in the video there was showing that the mech is going from Mech Arena map to Paradise Plaza. Don't mind this, because Paradise Plaza is yellowish map, but this is reddish. So I think a new map, new mech, and a new weapon is coming in this update. And if any other update will come, I will inform you all first. Okay, bye, thanks.